An Alaska Airlines jetliner blew out a portion of its fuselage shortly after takeoff 3 miles, 4.8 kilometers, above Oregon late Friday, forcing the pilots to make an emergency landing as its 171 passengers and 6 crew members donned oxygen masks. No1 was seriously hurt as the depressurized plane returned safely to Portland International Airport about 20 minutes after departure. Federal officials ordered the immediate grounding of some Boeing 737 MAX 9 jetliners until they are inspected. The National Transportation Safety Board said Saturday it will investigate. Alaska Airlines CEO Ben Minicucci said the inspection of the company's 737-9 aircraft could take days to complete. They make up a fifth of the company's 314 planes. Alaska canceled more than 100 flights, or 15% of its Saturday schedule by midday, according to FlightAware. United said the plane inspections would result in about 60 cancellations.